Hello, everyone. Welcome to Paddy Paddy. And I just want to tell you that the fact that the color on his cloth is on my cloth is a complete coincidence. Most times we never plan these things, but because we're spiritually synced, physically inclined and mentally assembled together, these things just work themselves out. You understand? You know people that, you know a match that is made from heaven. You know, when you, these are the signs. You just wear the same color of clothes. You want to say something, you just say it together. You say one stupid thing, but the other person finds sense in the stupid thing. That's how you know that your meeting is from the Lord above. Yeah. Welcome to Paddy Paddy. That's my opening remark. You can talk now if you feel like it. I want to continue reading this story before it's the time for the story. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome on to the Paddy Paddy show. And me actually now hungry, they catch me. You understand? So the thing don't really reduce my ginger. Because you get where you go to shout like this now. Now only breeze will come out from the person mouth. So I don't really reach that area or that particular level because my mitochondria feel react. You understand? But as the level take be, how everybody night take be. Hope so not be very, very okay. Very, very on point. No worry. The Paddy Paddy show on there, I will go make sure say everybody they very, very what are we? Give me one word.
For
the Paddy Paddy show on there, and everybody just need to follow.
They need to be expectant.
Expectant.
Yes, they need to be positive about the vibe that we bring.
You understand? So she don't talk everything now. So una welcome. The show will start right now with some kind diving things. All right. Someone will see this video. By the time we watch the video finish, we'll come back and continue the rest of the yarn. My name is Agbolo, her name is Mayowa. I am Inja.
I just want to tell you that as fascinating as and exciting as this thing be, some people they die put from inside.
They're not going to show us the people the way they die for this.
Some they break leg. Some they enter wheelchair forever because of this thing.
Because of this thing. So extreme sports.
So don't think that it's all rosy. It's not that quite glitter that is quite a good thing.
Like, just go.
I want to tell you this thing.
What's in those startup buildings there for Lagos here?
Skyscrapers.
All those skyscrapers for Lagos. Just go try yourself. Now that up where you stand.
You go just say, oh, I want to jump from our 10-story BD penthouse. And you will say me, hey, your teacher be
now even the evil spirits they push you. Now you go sit down here, you say, my brother.
Don't try it.
Not try it.
I know it's me that push you, but this time around it's not me.
Even me, the evil spirit, I cannot jump it. So you know not try it. You understand? So well, leave what you they do their both things. So you see any black man jump that thing.
And you need to understand that they get the things where they guard them to do these things. They get all the equipment, they get all the instruments. Then they even lecture them before they go for these things actually.
With equipment, they die.
That's what I'm saying. Even with the exposure, they still they die. Talk more of you where say, okay.
I don't say, oh, where the parachute no agree open.
Then get.
Bim! And husband and wife. Ew. So then jump together. They are for all those bridge own. They'll jump over bridge, but now water they under. But the water far. So as they jump the thing, the husband they up, the wife they up, they video the husband for down. Or you make uncle parachutes open, I know agree open. And so you got the 4. The man they open her own already. So I don't already they go under place. The guy enter water. Now under water I go break head.
Of course.
Because the force. I just go break head under. So people come the remaining of the way they on top the bridge, come the jump now. Before they go reach there, blood don't come out different things. So more live you they do their own thing and plagues. No be our matter.
All right, all that said and done, give us the yarn real quick. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Quickly, yeah.
Welcome back. Paddy Paddy on the full gear. Of course, with gist. Now, I just want to tell you that may you not enter the wrong scene at the wrong time. May you not enter the wrong environment at the wrong time. May you not be roped in. Because this particular guys, two of them, he gets one of them when they convict him for murder at 1979 and then release him only in 2013. That means he spent approximately about 34 years in prison. before they release him. That means he's 55. He was 55 when in Comot 2013, and then convict him for 1979. That means that he was 21 when he entered prison. And he spent 30 decades and 4 years. I mean, 3 decades and 4 years. That's 34 years for inside prison. Only for them to find out that he was convicted for a crime he knew nothing about.
Why are they speaking to Choka now?
No, I feel bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This thing is the mood. Understand? Yeah. To switch now on the ad. Okay, so I just want to tell you, say, he paid because this guy, they put him for prison for something we ain't know anything about.
For
now,
30?
For 34 years, my brother.
34 years.
Not be even not 2 of them, 2 people. 2 people. And you know what can happen? That time during the investigate, the police then being omit some kinds, they not took eye put for some kind things. Now make all these things happen because somebody can't even give false witness.
Say incident.
And a key and a major witness, but she twist her
own gist.
She twist her own
gist. They go arrest that woman. Where you
understand?
That
now
woman
the sisters can come out say, hello, wanna check this thing again. That thing where she talked that year, no be am. After we don't go and do some return. In fact, some students and lawyers from Loyola Law School now then doubt the witness of that key prosecutor. You understand? Then doubt waiting in talk. Now they can't find them out. Now the potpourri of this one be say, of course, you know, Oyibo people then go sue the police people, sue the court, you know, for all these things. Yeah. And now I want to tell you, say, 2 of them, they walk away with $24 million. Now, the one where they don't convict since 1970, the one where they don't use 34 years, will be 55 years now. They come out with around, I think, around $16.7 million. Then the second one, where they released in 2009, where they don't spend decades for prison, they come up with 7.6 million naira. Now, Bruce Liska.
Naira with dollars.
And dollars. Bruce Liska. Now, the one where they released for 2009, you know, so 2 of them, where they come out with $7.6 million. Yeah. And then the other one, what's been that name again? No, I don't forget the name. Oh. Anyways, they come out, the one we used 34 years, they come out with $16.7 million. They say that the biggest settlement for the history of, you know, pay off all this wrong something. Court, yes, say that the biggest be that.
But this kind of thing, really, but. Well, that kind of money, then they pay and once so give the people, or now they do any which way, like you talked before the gist starts. May you not be at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Oh yeah.
May not go. They not accuse you for something when no concern you, because even for the same country, some people even in prison today.
Of course.
For waiting they not do.
Yes.
At least I know one. For waiting they don't do. Finally, the guy don't come out finally, but many of his years don't waste. Inside that place, now they right jam. Inside that place, let's say can they do open university inside there. At least try, but we know until they be. You know, when they do something, they serve time for what you not do.
You know do. You know say as me actually him being dead the scene of the crime, but in the crime no concern.
No concern. Now it happen.
You know say for it gets some people, especially for prison. It gets some when I know that time when what time would they do prison research? It gets some when I know this guy now witness. But you know when they rope all of them, arrest all of them together, they say they go open their file. Open their files is 15 years ago. This guy not do anything. They're not saying not do anything, but open file and the guy still in prison 15 years ago.
Anyway,
now human rights something can't they press petition against them. Say see waiting they have.
But their own now, see Los Angeles own now, they pay these particular guys millions for years of their life they don't.
This is the largest settlement where they don't do in a long time.
Niger, we shall get there. We shall get there because sometimes they don't carry come and say, oh, not you think that thing for sorry. How many years don't spend for year? Oh, 16 years. Yeah. If they go today.
Some of these word themselves go no say no be you, but then go talk say because I don't like you. I know say no be you, but you did it.
God go judge, Sha. Now God go finally do the judgment last. All right, for my own very, very sad story this morning. Very, very sad story. 25 years old girl, what they call Doyin Sarah Fagbenro. Very sad story. Girl lose her life for one reckless move from downfall driver for Lekki Ekpe Expressway for inside Lagos here. Now it happened because but what didn't really touch people now when her cousin can go Facebook go write some kind of short write-ups about this particular girl to show you where she don't achieve for her life reach. She come all the way from UK to say, okay, make Nigeria become her own place. Well, she don't grow all her life for UK, but now she comes say, make she come here, make she come make Nigeria her own place. Since her grandparents grew now from Nigeria, but she now UK born Nigerian. Now, see what's in the cousin can write. In cousin name now Ken Davidson. He can go for Facebook, can write tributes to a shining starlet. I go read everything Heintie right now. Tribute to a shining starlet. Oh death, where is thy sting? Oh grave, where is thy victory? Another casualty of a broken and failed state. Your story is particularly gut-wrenching as it is equally heartbreaking. So you spent near enough all but 2 of your 25 years on earth in the country of your birth, will be the United Kingdom, where your parents and entire family reside. That means that they stay. You were born, bred, and educated in United Kingdom, but 2 years ago, immediately after you graduated, you elected to visit Nigeria, where your grandparents reside, both of whom are in their mid-80s. You signed up for the NYSC, having freshly graduated with a sterling first degree in law and postgraduate immediately afterwards. You were headhunted by an energy firm before you completed your NYSC, and a presto you gallantly announced to your nervous parents, Dad, a diplomat with the United Nations based in Italy, and Mom, a pharmacist based in United Kingdom, your country of birth, that you were going to permanently relocate and make Nigeria your permanent abode. I mean, she finally decided to make Nigeria where she will come to stay before this kind of rubbish can finally end this girl's life. Say her grandparents were ecstatic. I'm saying they were
happy.
They were happy. Say
you
at
being
least
their
things
most
don't
favorite
happen.
granddaughter.
You know, even the prestigious Queen's Mary Launch University snapped you to study law because too
All
many
these
things, achievements don't do for
just
the young girl.
6 feet under.
You know, and she just said she can enter Nigeria, make she can make her own based on her older parents, her grandparents. She be Nigerian. Anyhow, I wanted to go, but they born her for UK. But she can make Nigeria her home. Now she come now. Downfall driver, when no fee behave himself for road, and the girl life for express. Sad story, but this one bring into view the need for our government people to look into this the recklessness from our downfall drivers, our public transport people them. Where if you see the way I tell people most times, say if you drive, make you could drive like say. Now you don't know anything. No drag road with these people. But government need to chook eye inside how most of these guys they drive and operate for inside Lagos. Very terrible driving from these guys most of the time. You go to shock you sometimes, say come. Who did they give key to go to drive people there inside Lagos? You know, because most of these guys, I believe some of them they do on drugs. Because any kind of drug, I mean, for a person when they smoke weed to Indian hemp to anything, now one form of drug or the other. For people when they drink before he enter road, most of them don't be clear eye. And the high level of indiscipline where they come from these guys on the road. I feel say government supposed to chook eye, Lagos State government, and even for other, but Lagos own a peculiar case. Because these guys, they don't take and go on that level. You know, I beg. See young, vibrant, Peking now supposed to start life. You know, one big company don't sit down, they wait and make sure you finish her NYSC. Now they just finish her life like this, you know. Very sad story, and the family of this particular girl, Unakbele, for the bad gist to come.
I don't know what to say. You've said it all, so yeah. We're just going to move on.
Anyway, may we move on with the whole level on top of the show. This one shake us small one kind, because they don't offer one kind better can do. But anyway, we'll go for this break. By the time we'll come back, we'll still continue on top the Paddy show. All right, don't forget to send us a message on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy. All right, so reach for there. More know how you feel about these 2 Gs. Then we don't not give you now so far. All right, so we'll come back now. No go anywhere.
Taking balo, uncle. If you touch your hands.
You figure you'll be like this. But seriously, that work, I feel that for people that will get hot temper. Just get it.
Oh God, my darling, the things you say.
If person just
the
vex
things
you
say.
If person just provoke you one day. I don't know where to shout. You know, maybe you fast, for example. I know if you just shout there, just go to do. I go wound you. I go wound you. I go wound you. I don't want you. I don't want you. Then that one say when they knock out, now maybe your own anger don't enter that level. You want knock person something. You know, if you go to pan fufu, you understand? Just go extracurricular activities that can help you take care of your personal anger issues.
Oh Oh God, talking about anger, I could just move on, enter inside this next gist. And you need to be careful, everybody where they outside, I tell you this thing. But you know, you can never really be too careful, Obolo, you know, because no matter the situation, some people be like say, look, it be like say the soul where they inside, then put her inside charcoal, can't turn them. Can't still spray her with black paint. Can't carry and go where they bake motor. Can't bake them. You can't black here. Come put them back inside their chest. Because if not be saying that the kind of person where you be, why you go forge 7 certificates?
Bam.
Lie say you be consultants for loot. Can't they carry people go your house, go they treat them when you don't know anything about medicine? Now the landlord, now you report am.
Sad case.
The landlord come out and say, I beg go, 43-year-old man, Okpayemi Adeshino. In the parade himself of consultant gynecologist. And you know, say gynecologist, then they deal with women, everything. Women's private part, from your ovaries to your womb to your cervix. Then they deal with women, those who no feel born, you know, IVF issues. If that's why you go, don't come carry people go in house. Go they do them abortion. But they do them woman matter for house. Now the landlord contact said, this guy, they suspect him. Why you know if they do your work for office? Why in a house you they do them? Even if you be on the side doctor, doctors where they know, then they get extra hospital where then they work, maybe private hospital or something. Not before inside your house. Even if you want to do for your house, then they get them like certified something where 1 or 2 nurses go follow day.
Yes.
You understand? Why you go they do? Now they go ask the man use 100,000 naira. Go obtain fake MBBS certificate from the University of Ibadan, fake membership certificate of Nigerian Medical Association, NMA. In can't say, now one guy for Ibadan, now or your states, now you help one color wallet, now you help arrange all those certificates. You reach like 7, say now with 100K, you take do all those things then. If not be the landlord name, they just identify him as Ako Rene, but the name of this guy where they do this badness, now 43-year-old Okpayemi Adeshino.
Okpayemi.
Lagos State Teaching Hospital, Idiaraba.
Nalut now.
I tell you, make a call out for the people who don't really know where they talk about. You don't understand.
My own be say, you know, see now 2 things, because me I go always do the thing from 2 different angles. Fine, all of us won't buy the guys, but you know, say some people say still did. That's why I go say, if you get any problem, no go they meet people, they go carry you enter their house, and then they want to treat you. You understand? Because I see these things they happen steady, very, very often. You see people they say, okay, by the way, doctor, chemist, yeah. No, go hospital. Go to a hospital. They're supposed to carry you, they treat you. You they see doctors, everybody, because anybody feel claim to be anything, no?
Yes.
If I say you enter inside one kind of chemist and you see one certificate for up, it not means anything real.
Yes,
anybody if you go carve
everybody if you go carve anything, tell you say now
award. If you go design something now, say man, I be certified award-winning doctor. I don't resurrect the dead. Say anybody feel talk out. But please, just for your own sake, for your own good, just go doctor for hospital.
And these people, if you were there around them, if you do something nice to help people, I beg do it, because now in landlords they are already now. Now you go the loot, go talk, say come. Una get any like consultants where they bear this name, now they check their record, and they say nobody bear like that. Now they can't carry police. Go German, because he don't even know. Say then they investigate them.
Get a hand. Now say always be. So I beg.
If not for run.
Make we just, because why would they talk of person we do bad? We talk of person say we go they help the bad to continue. Yeah. Now be we if you normal know, people. Try. So if you know anybody around you, say when they do some kind of thing, report it. You understand? Because now illegal moves.
Police is your friend.
I mean, at the end of the day, no guy wants to look at, but they must still catch the bad guys. All right, for my own gist this morning, for final gist waiting for her, you know, like we always tell people say, you know, there are better ways to try to help people do what you feel they're supposed to do. You know, not be every time, go and lose weight. Now shout. Sometimes the government or people that wait there around feel just help, you know, to make these particular people them do better health-wise. And this one happened for inside California, and the contact say, okay, for their own place for there, for inside California, for that area, they say people that they get issue with people that way too fat. At least they say 1 out of 5 people, they obese. I mean, they don't fat, big, rich, one place where they don't feel help themselves again. But last they can say, okay, the way they will take do them now, they say, the way they will take encourage their citizens then to live better lifestyle. Municipal officials for inside Lanewood, California, don't come and talk say, okay, they can do one kind of program See all the obese people, they want to lose weight, or to encourage them to lose weight, they do some kind of program, and they put people into different groups, you understand, to help them lose weight. But at the end of the whole thing, the winning team will get cash prize of $3,500. You know, so they don't attach money, join the team now. So now lose weight and get money. Lose weight and get money. Lose weight and get money. They say you see people they come out. Different obese type, short, tall. They all come out. Say, well, if this thing at the end of the day, because aside from just that particular thing, they also give them, you know, some kind of classes to motivate them, you know. Some of them they'll come talk different things.
And you know, the good thing be say, even if you don't lose this, even if you don't win them, you went through a process, you have shed some pounds.
Exactly.
You have lost some tons, you have lost some weight.
Exactly. At the same for every pound when you lose, they give you like $1.
Yes.
Just to add jara on encouragement. You
and it's even fun.
Where you go say, all of now they say, wow. They jump, say, hey. This one will say, oh boy, now wow, your belly big past my belly, oh now wow. You know, but are fun things you get. So, but that on the other side, you know, there's still ways to encourage people to. So not every time you go do one person do something where you could use a shout. Sometimes encourage them with something. Just add something, join the whole thing to encourage them. Waiting.
The nice to do the one where they used to add with.
No. That one, I beg, we need that one.
We won't go.
I beg.
If you not know.
Anyone they take the add weight.
When they add flesh.
I beg, when I help us.
We won't go help us. No, I mean look at us.
Look
at us, now look at yourself. And feel our pain.
Please.
If you know how we can add weight at Wazobia Paddy, please. We will do it religiously.
Help us. At
Wazobia Paddy, please. Go on Twitter. Tell us how we can add weight. Because this is a national problem.
Yes, we need to add weight, please.
It's depressing.
Now because 1200 they off fan for inside this studio.
And they tell you,
they're on the fan now. We just, you know.
We got just gangpa.
Clash, you understand? So please, help us.
If you don't want to hear that, what happened to Ogbola Mayowa one day? They freeze.
Or say we do Okada one day, breeze blows, enter wire. Please.
I beg.
Please help us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Laugh the laugh.
Laugh the laugh, oh, laugh the laugh.
My chest.
Mark Angelo. Now this guy, now bring out that small girl.
Okay, this is not my real face.
That guy, his name is Mark Angel. They do all this comedy, this thing. Now I carry that small girl come out. So someone who has
I been finished using the Wi-Fi. Uncle Stadia, don't go.
Please respect yourself. All right. So,
okay, so yeah, that's it. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. We don't tell you. And comment. Let's interact. Let's gist. Let's talk.
Now,
all right? Please. Yeah. And then on top YouTube, we did for youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy. It's the same thing for facebook.com/Wazobia Paddy. At Mayowa Lambe, at Mayowa Ekpo for Twitter and Instagram, respectively. At Ogbolo and at Funny Ogbolo for Instagram and Twitter, respectively. If you follow the station at Wazobia TVNG for Inside Instagram. Thank you very much. So now open an eye to watch Paddy today. And on this note, from us, the skinny people.
From us, we say bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow.
Adios, hasta la vista, baby.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.